Hey guys, welcome back to the Fragrance Wardrobe. I'm Michael, and today I'm going to unbox and sniff on some Tom Ford fragrances. This is going to be a Tom Ford haul that I got from Fragrancex, and going to go and bust them open and give them all a whiff, tell you guys what I think about them. One of them is not a blind buy, but two of them are, and I'll tell you which ones as I go through them. Alright, so here's my box from Fragrancex. Little banged up. Looks like it got wet and smashed a little bit. Hopefully the contents are okay. Find out now, I guess. So far the contents look okay. These are all going to be 50 ml. The 1.7 ounce because I was trying to save money. And Tom Ford Noir Extreme. Excited about that one. Also picked up, this one is not a blind buy. In fact, if you've been watching the channel, my decant video that I did recently, Beau de Jour from Tom Ford. Love this scent. Can't wait to wear that one. And the third one, it's been all the rage for a while now. Ombre Leather. Never smelled it before. Gonna try it out now. Let's see. So you see in there wasn't really any like bubble wrap or anything in the box. So usually I think Fragrancex packs it a little bit better, but a little questionable today. Let's go and start with the Tom Ford Noir Extreme. Right here, we'll crack that open. All right, here's your box. Nice, shiny gold. Makes it look expensive, and it is. For the 50 ml bottle, you're gonna pay 90 something dollars, so just under $100 for a 50 ml of this, which isn't too bad for Tom Ford fragrances, so not too bad. So there we go. Looks like that. Nice bottle. Really nice glass bottle. Actually, the photographs and the video reviews and stuff of this fragrance in the bottle that I've seen, it always looks like it's a cheap looking bottle, but actually the bottle is pretty good quality. Nice glass. The cap is not bad. It's plastic, but yeah, it looks better in person. Juice, make sure that all the juice is still in there. All right, go and give this a puff on the paddle. Yeah, smells pretty good. I like it. I'm not going to know what the dry down smells like for a bit. It's just kind of the opening of the scent that I can get on the camera right now. Oh wow. Yeah, I can kind of feel that evolution of the fragrance right off the bat. When you first spray it, even just going into the opener, like seconds into the opener, you just kind of feel how it's going to change a little bit. So it will be interesting to know how much it changes once you get into that dry down and the heart and the base and all of that. Smells good. Smells of high quality. It's rich. Definitely cold weather, cool weather. Almost has a little bit of a gourmand quality to it. Yeah, I like it. It smells pretty good. I guess you could probably wear this casually, but I think it'd be pretty good dressed up. But I mean, you can wear anything you want anytime, but would make a good date night type of scent, good evening scent, cooler weather. Yeah, it has a very addictive, kind of a seductive scent to it, in my opinion. Let's go ahead and move on along here. And we'll open up Ombre Leather since I've never smelled that. And I'm looking forward to it. Ombre Leather, right here. So here's your box. It's black. It's got some information on the bottom and the back. Kind of rhymed. And your bottle. Right here, Ombre Leather. I like the bottle on this one. It's kind of has like a metal feel to it. Matte black finish. Yeah, looks pretty good. Looks cool to me. The cap is metal, very nice, very heavy. I don't, kind of just slides on, but yeah, it's a nice cap, pretty good quality. Oh wow, I'm already picking up the scent out of this atomizer and it smells good. Yeah, that smells really good. Oh, you know why? Because I think it leaked a little bit. Looks like it's leaked. Yeah, like right around there. You can see where it's leaked. Yeah, that sucks. Like I said, this box was pretty banged up. So there's no telling what it went through in the shipping process. Very nice. Kind of get a leather jacket type of scent from it. It's it smells like a high quality leather, maybe like a leather jacket, something like that. Now I was recently asked, I think on my Instagram when I posted my scent of the day, it was Tom Ford Tuscan leather, if the differences between these two, and there are definite differences. They don't smell the same. As well, yeah, they smell different. As we all know, Tom Ford Tuscan leather smells like a brick, and this one does not. So this one smells more like a leather jacket, I think, like a high quality leather jacket or something like that, or purse, or kind of like luggage. Smells pretty good. Cooler weather, go evening with it. Really, I mean, cooler weather, I think you can really wear anything, like any time of the day when it comes to cooler weather. The warm weather, though, is kind of really when you have to determine evening wear and daytime. But, I mean, this can go for any occasion, I would think. Very nice scent. It's definitely a expensive designer scent. It's not, I mean, you can tell the price on it, I think, is like, for 100 mil is $100 something, low hundreds, I think. But the scent, you can tell it's luxury. You can tell that it's rich, it's got depth. It's not cheap. And you can get that right off the opener, that it's not a cheap fragrance. So it smells good. I like it a lot. I'll probably wear this next week at some point. Clean up the, yeah, you can see, can you see that? A little bit there in the light. See where it's kind of leaked out? So that kind of sucks. But yeah, it leaked out. And that sucks. So, all right, guys. So moving on over to Beau de Jour. Here's Beau de Jour right here. Bam. All right. All right, your box looks like this. Bottom, back, and the bottle. Again, 50 mil, 1.7 ounce. I like the bottle. I want to say that this used to be like part of the their, you know, what is it? Is it like the you know, their premium line? I can't remember what they call that, but with the little brown shape bottle, like the Tuscan leather comes in. But this is, I believe, 2020 rebottled. wouldn't say it's the same scent. It may have been reformulated. I'm not for sure. The decant that I have is from this type of bottle, and I believe it's 2020 that he started doing this bottle. Bottle looks good. I like the nameplate on the front. Cap, pretty decent. I mean, feels like a heavier plastic. And I don't see any leakage on this atomizer, so it survived transport well. I would hit it, and I won't talk too much on this since I just talked about it on another video. Very deep, rich opening, almost. Yeah, it's kind of funny. The opener on this does seem a little bit different than the opener on the decant. When I first spray this, I almost get like a spearmint scent right initially, and then it darkens up. And then it begins to brighten up a little bit. Yeah, it goes through a process, I'll tell you that. Definitely goes through a process on the opening, because when I initially sprayed it, like right off the bat, I picked up almost like a spearmint gum type of scent. And I don't remember that out of my decant that I have. But then it darkens really quickly. And then you do begin to, I guess, get some of those other notes starting to pop up a little bit. I don't know what all the notes are, but kind of brightens up a little bit, and you start, it's almost like in the initial spray, you're kind of getting one thing, and you're waiting for it to go through this little evolution until you get to what it's going to be. So what it's going to be right off that initial spray is not what you're going to get as you wear it. It does kind of go through a process, like a transition or something like that. There we go. Yeah, and that smells really good. Once it makes that little transition to the scent that it's going to be, it smells really good. I enjoy it. Interesting. It's a good one. Beau de Jour from Tom Ford. I've been wanting to get my hands on it. I have it now, and I'm going to wear it soon. So it's a really good scent. I like it, and I really like, out of the bottle anyway, how much of that transition you get just off the opener. And it gets better and better as it dries down. I will say that the initial spray, not as appealing. Once it dries down, it starts, like, it gets through that transition, that evolution of the opening, and it begins to dry down. That's where I find I enjoy it the most, and where I find that it really shines. Yeah, it smells really good. Love it. Love all three of them. I love Tom Ford, man. The House of Tom Ford. You know, everybody was doing those like best designer houses or whatever, and they're like alphabetical. A couple months ago, everybody was popping those up, and everybody put Tom Ford for T, and I would agree. Tom Ford makes some amazing stuff. I don't have a 100 ml bottle of anything that he owns. Everything I have of his is a 50 ml, but as many fragrances as I have, it's worth saving the money, being able to, you know, try some different stuff, get an extra bottle here and there. And honestly, as many as I have, I'm probably not going to run out anytime soon. So there they are. You have these three from Tom Ford. Really good scents. Really enjoy them. Yeah, smell really good. Good job, Fragrancex, on getting me these. I wish you would have packed the box a little bit better, but everything survived. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Please remember, give me a like, give me a share, give me a comment, give me a subscribe. Ring the bell for notifications so you get notified when I have new videos coming out. I appreciate you guys watching. Catch you with the next video.
Bye.